Hi guys, let's talk about economics, economy, and inflation, how it affects our society today. You see, 3 days ago, I was with a friend where we started discussing about what is the major cause of inflation and hunger in our society. Do you know what this guy did? He went inside and get his economics textbook that he used in the secondary school. He started explaining, telling me the causes of inflation from the textbook. I was like, do you see those things that was listed? They are for those that wrote them and their own economy at that time. The Nigeria presently, you can't use this to define what is affecting us right now. You can't be using cost pull or cost push, demand pull to explain what is affecting us right now. Now, what is the major cause of the hunger and starvation or inflation in our country presently? Do you see this picture behind me? Do you see this picture? Do you see this picture? That's Elon Musk. What did he say? He said when government spend recklessly, when they overspend, that can cause this inflation. And we all know that this is the major cause of our inflation. We are still discussing about it that we heard sound of convoy coming, black convoys. Guess what? 3 cars following themselves. We now went further to check who is coming. You won't believe it. The wife of a local government chairman that was passing with convoy in this economy. Wherefore is 1,000 something, 1,000 thereabout. That is what we are talking about. When government are spending recklessly. If a local government chairman's wife is moving with convoy with 4 cars, we are not talking about ministers. We are not talking about governors. We are not talking about their wives. We are not even talking about the president's wife. We are not even talking about the president here. We are talking about local government chairman's wife. Now imagine if a governor or maybe a president is passing. Do you know how many cars will go with him? Even 20 is too small. That is the excess spending this man is talking about. We buy private jets. We buy different things that we don't really need. That is number 1. Number 2 is borrowing. When you borrow what you cannot account for, you borrow and in the end, they'll be telling us that snakes swallowed money. These are the things that are affecting the society presently. They are the things causing inflation presently in our society. Let's do the right thing. When we do the right thing, our economy will be better again. Thank you.